Was here today. I'm going to turn this into leg mode, and we're going to compare it to fanstoys leg mode as well, just because.
Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube.
Let's see. Take this out. It's really not hard at all. You gotta remember this is tabbed on both sides here. Take that out and take this out there, and then you can move this down.
Subscribe.
And just leave it like that for now. Same thing over here. My thing keeps falling off, so I'm gonna keep that to the side. If you saw my review, you know. So again, get this out there, out, and move this down. And let's get this together. So you want to pull this up. I just pull this up like this. There's a little flap in here that I need my spudger for, maybe. Can we get it this way? No, ain't nowhere. All right, there's two little things here. Maybe this would be easier. Maybe not. Let me see right here. Kind of. No. There's a little spot for a Decepticon symbol too. I just realized that. Right in there. Jeez, it's Christmas. Things falling apart. There's no easy way to get this piece out. There we go. I just flexed it. So you move that all the way out. Then there's two pieces on the bottom here that you move up. Move that up, move that up. Gives it more surface area. And then these go like this and move like this. Now this, you can move this up. Now I'll move this. You get these up here like that. You have to get these little things in here. I probably should have did it first. But if you get these down far enough, you can get this out here. Maybe I need to pull it up a little more. Yeah. Wasn't up far enough in order to get this out. So you get this out. It barely makes it past all that stuff. I guess you could take this down and move this all the way up further in order to try to get it, but I didn't want to do all that. So you gotta just, yeah, there you go. You can just adjust that too. And then you can get to this right here if you can't see it. Then you pull that all the way up. And it should go up and go in there like that. This one isn't in. There you go, like that. And then these that you pulled up here, tab on to here. There we go. That's a hard tab. And then that goes all the way up, kind of blocks that. Then this goes down here. These are like this, the things in the back. Because if not, the arms, so the arms don't flex really. But this does not feel stable to me. I don't know. I suspect that this isn't very stable, which is why they have that those pieces. So you pull this down here. So from this angle, you can move this down in order to get this down here like this. And you can push this down also. so it's down all the way. Move this like that so you can get this movement. Then back here, you just want to pull these out. And the reason you're pulling them out is so you can flip these up. So you want to get this flipped up. Flip that up. Then you can flip this around. Flip that around there like that. Same thing over here. Just poke this through here and flip it up pretty tight. I'll put this back on just in case so I can flip it around so you can see. It does stay on. There's no reason to take it off. I just didn't glue it back on. Flip that around. Put that in there like that. Then you can close this back up. Then you can bring in this thing. Move that down. Move this down. Now this clamps onto here. Like that. Make sure this piece is correct. And then you move this up in here. And on the sides, each side it clamps on. So I was scared about this piece because I was like, is these the only pieces that keep this on? But I think it's fine because it does clamp on. This you can move down, back down like that on the sides. Closer to, or you move it like this. Closer to there. I think you're done. So here we are with leg mode. So let me compare this with fanstoys. Fanstoys leg mode here. Yeah, X-Transbots is bigger. I don't know how that's going to translate because I think fanstoys is going to have something that clamps around this and stays on here as well, just like this piece. So I think, but this is not stable at all. This is going to be stable like this. Like, just look. I don't want it to fall, but you can see X-Transbots. Well, I don't know if you can see, but X-Transbots is like leaning back and almost falling. And these arms, like, I understand it's accurate and that's how he was just standing on his head, but there's no, unless I'm doing something wrong, there's no lock on this. Like, why isn't there a lock on these arms right here? Which brings me to my point. I think this is for stability because there's two holes in his arms and there's holes in this. So right here, you just place it on one of the holes wherever you want it. Maybe I ain't got it in right. Yeah, there we go. Then put this in there. So yeah, to have this, I do think this is for stability. I don't think there's no ifs, ands, or buts. I just think it's for stability. And to get these in great, you even got to bend them a little bit, but I don't see that being a big issue. The other problem with this, I see it wobbles. It's going to make for the ankle to be good. But with that joint to get this, it goes back and forth and it's loose. It's a loose joint. So I'm not too confident in this as far as, you know, Devastator and it standing up. I don't know how I feel about it. And this is what I'm talking about. Like, this is really loose, unless I got something wrong, which could be the case. I think you can move that down if you want, but it kind of hides all this stuff. So, but yeah, like I said, it could be the case. I could have something wrong. I don't know. Maybe there's something else that I'm missing. I can't tell. But that's just one of the reasons I think fanstoys is going to be my combined mode, and these are going to be my bot modes, because they're definitely X-Transbots got fantastic bot modes, definitely. All right, so thanks for watching this video. I'll get up with you in another one. Peace.
You know, life ain't over, life ain't over, life ain't over. As long as you're alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want.